Good morning, student. Today we are going to understand what are things present inside a CPU, and that is only the topic of our chapter inside the system unit. So we are going to understand what are the things present inside the CPU cabinet and what are the ports available in CPU. So we'll go and explore our CPU cabinet. Student, this is our CPU looks like this. You can see here we have certain port in front of the CPU, and this is here we have a power button. These are the few ports. At the back of the CPU you can able to see few more ports are there for extracting the heat from the CPU. These are the number of ports. Student, if you properly visualize this CPU box, you can able to see that here it is, we are having a power port. Power port, that means from where the electricity is provided to this cabinet. Then we have two more ports, this blue and green color. These kind of ports are called PS2 ports. PS2 port is used for what? To connect mouse. Look, here it is, figure is also given to connect mouse and to connect keyboard. Then we have one more port over here. This is called VGA port. VGA port. This is used to connect the monitor. Connect the monitor. Then we have few more ports over here like this 4 1 2 3 4. They are called USB port. You can clearly see this. These are the USB port from where we can connect pen drive or any external device. One more port is there which is different from USB. You can easily see this port is called LAN port. That means you are connecting your internet connection or internet wire over here. Then three more pins are over here. One is for mic, then audio input output. That means you are connecting your audio system over here. Then you will see one exhaust fan is present over here. This is used to extract the heat from the cabinet. Now student, let's go and we'll open this CPU to see what is inside it. For that you have to just shift this CPU and you have to slide this plate. So here I have just opened my CPU. You can see these are the things present inside the CPU cabinet. Let's we slowly explore these all things. Okay, so first of all we'll understand what is this. This one is the SMPS. SMPS, you can see lot of wire is going inside it. So this is a SMPS. SMPS means you already know, switch mode power supply, and I already told that it is connected with the electricity. So from here it will get a electricity and this SMPS will provide a power to this whole system. Then you can see it is a DVD driver, DVD or CD driver. From here you can see from the front, as you press this button, this plate will come out and you can able to put your CD or DVD to play. Then next we have this hard disk from where we storing our data. You can see properly. and it is also connected with a USB cable. This is a USB and this is also a USB cable. That means you can connect your external device over here, your pen drive over here. Now student, understand, this green color plate is called a motherboard. This square shape, this one is a motherboard. Over it many components are there. Like you can see, this is a fan, and you already know that this fan is used to extract the heat from the processor. And below this only we have a Intel chip, that is called the brain of the computer, or you can say a processor of the computer. Then many things are present over here, like you can see ROM is present over this as a chip, green color. This will give you the temporary memory where you store your data. Then different slots are given so that you can increase your memory of RAM and ROM. Now student, you can able to see a few more ports are over here. Like I already explained that these are the CPU. Then this pin supports are also given, like this is used for mic and for audio system. So from the front side also you can connect to a headphone with this port, this green and pink ports, and these ports are called PS2 ports. PS2 port. I hope student you have understood all the things present inside the CPU and the things which are present outside it, the different ports, the motherboard and even the fan. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have learned something new and very informative. Thank you.